Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start at your JK Bank branch or call the official helpline. Bring ID and the check stub. Provide the check number, date, exact amount, and your account number so staff can locate the instruction. This avoids delays. If you prefer phone banking, authenticate with your customer ID and registered mobile OTP. You must state whether it's a single check or a range to stop. This affects processing and any applicable fee, so be precise when you give details. Once your initial request is accepted, fill the bank's written stop check form, handwrite or type the check number, date, payee name if known, and reason for stop. Make sure to sign exactly as the account holds. Wrong signature causes rejection. The teller will read back the stop range and any fee, confirm aloud, and initial any acknowledgement. You will receive a stamped receipt with a reference number. Keep that carefully, because it's your proof if the bank needs to trace the instruction. After submitting, monitor your account for 48 to 72 hours to ensure the check was blocked. Use mobile banking or ATM mini statement. If the check still clears, return to the branch with your stop payment receipt and ask them to lodge a written investigation. Present the reference number and any supporting ID. If the issue persists, escalate to the branch manager or submit a formal complaint to the bank's grievance cell, and keep copies of all communications.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.